Hi guys, here is a video on how to use the use cases section within the new Currency UK website. Essentially what we have on the left hand side here is we've got a section called use cases. So this is where all of the use cases will be managed and added from. You can see a list of some test ones that we've created earlier. As mentioned, we would recommend, rather than clicking on the add new button, we would recommend taking one that you've done earlier and duplicating it, because it makes it much easier for you to fill in all of the fields in the back end. So by clicking on duplicate this, it will create a draft post here for you to go in and edit. So if you click on the edit button, it takes you through to the use cases editing page. So this is one called buying a property abroad 1. So this is the title for the use case. Each use case has a hero area. So if I click on, if I just open up the post in another tab here, you'll be able to see that this has got this is what we call a hero area. So basically you've got your title, you've got your requirements, and you've got your result, and then you've got your call to action text. Then on the right hand side, we've got our animation with the icon. So basically all of that can be managed from here. We wanted to make this template as flexible for you guys to be able to edit as possible. So essentially everything is editable, even the animation. The icon is independently managed from the animation itself, in case you need to switch out the icons at a later stage, meaning that you don't have to, possibly come to us for support for that type of thing. So just going up to the top, you don't really need to worry about the hero background color and the background image. But essentially we've got the hero content here, as you can see. So you've got the requirements, the written text below that, and results. So basically, just to get the formatting right in here, you can obviously change these. So if I want to make this actually a header 2, you can. This has all been done as per the design. So this is actually a header 3 in the design. Then this is obviously paragraph text below that. Below that, you've got your call to action text. So you've got your set up a free account. So that's the first button. Then you've got a link. Because this page hasn't been created yet, we'd recommend just using a hash for now. And then obviously at a later stage, once the links are, once the pages have been created for those links, we can then go back in and make sure that those are added in. You've also got your call to action 2 text here, so you've got the see how we have helped others. Again, this gives you more flexibility should you wish to change the buttons at a later stage. On the right hand side, we have got the types. So this is for you and for your business, and then we've got your custom categories here. So as we mentioned earlier, these are essentially how we would go about relating your content to other areas. So for example, you might want to make this use case related to a product name. So essentially you would then create that product name within this, and you would relate it to that. So that when you're on your international payments page, you will see these as suggested and related use cases for those products. As mentioned earlier, the featured image section, we will change that so that it will go by the icon that's added in, so it reflects the designs signed off.